There is a tense scene where Alicia, a rookie police officer, walks into an abandoned building. She is investigating a possible crime after hearing a strange noise. The building is dark and quiet, with broken windows and trash on the floor. Alicia moves slowly, holding her flashlight in one hand and her gun in the other. As she moves through the hallway, she sees the door slightly open. She pushes it gently, and the door creaks. Inside the room, she notices a hidden camera recording something important. Alicia carefully takes the camera and checks the footage. She realizes that she has found something dangerous, so she quickly puts the camera in her pocket. Before she can leave, she hears footsteps approaching. She hides behind a wall, trying to stay unseen. The scene builds tension as Alicia listens carefully, waiting for the right moment to escape. This part of the movie shows her bravery and quick thinking in a dangerous situation.